Hey everyone, welcome back. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has shared new details about the rumored iPhone 17 Air. In his latest Power On newsletter, Gurman reported that the iPhone 17 Air may start at approximately $899 in the US, positioning it at the same price point as the iPhone 16 Plus. This aligns with widespread speculation that the Air model will replace the Plus model in Apple's iPhone lineup. Despite its ultra-thin and lightweight design, Gurman said that the iPhone 17 Air's battery life will be on par with the current iPhones, though he did not specify which models. If true, this suggests that the device will at least match the battery performance of the base iPhone 16, which would be impressive given its slimmer form factor. Apple has reportedly made both hardware and software optimizations to improve power efficiency. Three key features are expected to contribute to extended battery life, such as a high-density battery, Apple's power-efficient C1 modem, and the removal of the ultra-wide camera, which allows for a larger battery. The iPhone 17 Air will also feature the camera control button, which debuted on the iPhone 16 models. While this button provides quick access to camera functions, some users find it unnecessary and disable it. Additionally, Gurman also revealed that the iPhone 17 Air's bezels will be as thin as those on the iPhone 16 Pro models, enhancing the device's sleek appearance. Other previously rumored specs include a 6.6-inch display with 120Hz ProMotion, a dynamic island, a standard A19 chip instead of the A19 Pro, a single 48-megapixel rear camera, the C1 modem, and the absence of a physical SIM card slot in most regions worldwide.